Well, today we're working on the Cadillac STS. I believe that's 2008 through 12. So I know there's all kind of videos on how to swap out your batteries in your key fob, but there's really nothing out there for the Cadillac STS, so that's what we're going to do today. This is for the Cadillac STS from 2008 to 2012. And then after we get the battery changed out, we're gonna show you how to program it. So I've got two key fobs here, one together here and one all tore apart. We'll put the battery, and this is two different cars. This is 2008, this is 2011. And I'll show you how to break them apart real easy without any tools. We'll go through all the steps on how to program the key fob to your car. Now, if your key fob is completely dead, you can still use it to start your car. Now, what you do is take your key fob and stick it right in the it's not the glove box, it's the console area where you raise it up and you know where you program it at. Stick it in that little pocket right there. Even if it's got a dead battery, it will still recognize it. You'll still be able to start your car. So that's what you can do until you get you a battery for your remote and get it programmed. Now, once you pull the battery out, this is my daily driver here. We're not gonna pop it open because it'll lose the programming on it. I'm just gonna show you how to pop them open without any tools. Okay, and the first thing you need to do is get you some batteries, the 2032s. This is Energizer. I couldn't believe how much these things went up. I got these at the dollar store, and I got some on eBay. eBay, they're pretty cheap yet, even with free shipping. So that's where you need to get them if you got time to wait. But in this case, I went to the dollar store because them things coming from California and New York takes forever to get here. Get you some batteries, and I'm going to show you how to open this thing up. I'm not going to actually open this up because this is my daily driver and I don't want to lose the programming in it. Right here, you got to stick your key in there just a little ways. You don't want to stick it in there very far, and just turn it and pop that case open. I'll show you why you don't want to stick it in there very far. Because you can stick it in there that far. See how your key, see how it covers the key? Get a little closer here. Okay, so you can stick it in just about that far and then just turn it. You don't want to go in too far. You're gonna be trying to break this part here open. Just turn it just a little bit and crack that open. You still might be able to have to get a small screwdriver and right here on the split right here. You still might have to stick a little flat blade screwdriver in there just to help pop this case open. That's what I had to do. So we'll get one of these batteries out of here. Okay, I better put this thing back together before I get these all mixed up. This one with the key on it is my daily driver, and it's still all together. So I don't want to get them mixed up. That's the 2008 car, STS. Okay, this one that's all taken apart. We'll stick this battery in it. And the plus side, you're riding on it, says the size on it, that goes down. Okay, and then we start putting all this back together. Then we'll put this circuit board back in the, and it can only go in one way. See how it's beveled here? It can only go in one way. Get that sunk down in there real good. So then you put your back case on it. That circuit board will fall back out, so you just got to put and that battery, it will stay in there. The battery will stay in there, so you just flip it over. Then you start snapping it back together. Okay, now we'll get the key put back in there. Okay, now we got it all back together. And the car is within distance. I mean, it's just a few feet away here. Right here in the driveway. And it's not beeping or nothing. I mean, it'll even self-start. Lock it, start it, it's not doing nothing. So now we got to program it. So let's go out to the car. Get it unlocked with a key. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, when your remote don't work on your car, got your car locked, you gotta use the key to get in. Now that we're in, okay, in order to program this, we gotta put the key back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you heard it beep. It says key fob ready for 3. I hope you can see that. I'm going to unlock this other side. Okay, after it says ready for key fob 3, then all you got to do is hit your buttons. See, it locked it. Trunk will release. There's your panic button. I don't want to hit that. Locked. Unlocked. Do a self start. Lock it twice. Hit the start button. Okay. Trunk's already released. Hit it twice to kill it. This key fob's ready to go. Stick it back in the it's ready to go. Now I also might add that if you got a brand new key fob, you might have to open up your console and stick it back in there where you program it. This in here is very easy because it's already programmed to it. So it just had to recognize it again after the battery was out. So like I say, if you had a brand new key fob, the other one got water damaged or ran through the washing machine, then you might have to stick it back there. You might have to open up your console and stick it back there where you program it. Okay, this center console right here. Right back over here in the very passenger side. is a little slot right there where you stick your key fob, right there by your cigarette lighter. Stick it right down in there if you need to program it. That's if your key fob is brand new. Now this one here, I didn't have to worry about it because I was actually surprised that I didn't have to stick it in there to program it. But I just started hitting buttons on this thing and it was working again. That's how easy it is to program your key fob to your Cadillac STS. Okay, thanks for watching.